Zane was going to work and he hit a pothole, quite a big one, because there was a car coming the other way, and this is Great British Road for you. Look at the size of that. That is horrific. Yes, it's right on the white line, but he fell in.
Yeah, people drive down here, off the bridge, still in the middle road. That's why it happened.
Yeah, so Zane avoiding hitting the car, he went for the pothole instead. But it's the right thing to do, isn't it, really? Yeah. So where are we going to go today?
We're going to Tyre Smart in Wisham. They do tyres, alignments, and apparently buckled wheels.
That we didn't know they did buckled wheels. So we're going to show you how they fix them in a minute. Let's go and get Zane's wheels unbuckled because they were completely bad. You'll see a video of them in a minute of them actually getting done. So big thank you to Tyre Smart for sorting us out with this one. So how does it actually work though? Yeah.
Basically you got this little centre bit here.
Yeah.
Basically the centre behind the wheels keeping nice and straight.
Yeah.
And you attach the wheel.
And it just pushes it right out like that.
It works the same as when it's on the hub of the car.
Yeah. Do you know what I do like? I did realise. Look at his tattoo. It's got a spark plug on his tattoo. You didn't realise that, did you?
Yeah, they had rules on it when they work bad. They like all off.
See, it's not as bad, this one, I said to you. Potentially only like flat. I can't. What I don't understand is why is it going this bit, not that bit? It's because of the frame on the front. That's why it's got this.
There's a lot of material.
Yeah.
There's a lot of support.
Yeah. Nothing. Yeah. I can't believe how much he fucking hit a hole. I thought he hit a drain cover, and he goes, no, not there. Down a bit further. He's hit this fucking hole. Because obviously there's a car coming the other way, go back roads, and he's just dived for the hole. Yeah, well, that's what we're going to try and claim it back on cancel. It's like the reception room, like all bucket seats and everything like that.
Yeah.
Not many people have that. I bet you lot all sit out there, we're not doing nothing, you know. Put your feet up.
No.
Or do they make you work hard?
They do.
But how bent that was, I'm surprised it's coming out though.
Yeah, just take a little bit of speed.
Yeah.
Big ones always do. Pretty fine, it's got another big bend around here now.
Yeah. Chuck yourself in a bucket of water.
Yeah.
How many times can they be repaired though, realistically?
If it's bending, I would say it's like pushing a bend back, I'd say it's many times you run.
Yeah.
Just manipulating the wheel really. You might get weaker over time because obviously you're heating it,
And cooling it,
pushing
cooling it, yeah.
back, things like that. So, but as long as you're careful, you might be able to do it as much as you want. With cracking, if it's cracked and getting welded,
Yeah.
I'd say you probably only got a minimum of like three, 4 times.
Yeah.
That's personal preference. So.
I wouldn't drive a cracked wheel anyway, personally. So he loves fucking curbing these wheels. Fucking see it, look. Huh? problem though, like you said, a big buckle will end up being like loads of little ones across the whole thing now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go mate. It's not too far out, is it?
Problem is, it's also where the silver is, it kind of makes it look a lot worse
Yeah.
than it is.
Oh yeah? I bet you are. Well, at least you've got 2 fixed wheels now. Sticky in there. That's quite good. That's near enough perfect, isn't it? You're quite impressed with yourself, aren't you? How bad it was.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you never feel that.
So we're all done. That was easy, wasn't it? But yeah, thanks mate. See you later, thank you for that.
Thank you again to Tyre Smart, straighten my wheels out. So if you've got any problems with wheels, tyres, anything like that, look up Tyre Smart. They're great people. So speak to you later. Catch you later. Bye.